Alright, check this out. There's this stud on this O2 sensor mount is chewed up. I can't get this nut on there. It doesn't really go on. Right, so the threads are kind of messed up. Check out these little thread repair nuts from McMaster. It's basically a little die, but it's the same size, like hex size as the nut. So this is an M8. But yeah, watch this. Put this guy on there. See, my hand's in the way. Just gonna drive it with the ratchet. And you kind of feel it cutting through the messed up threads there. Had to grab a deep socket there. I just thread it all the way on. And here's that same nut again. Look at that. Oh man, that is awesome. Yeah, I'll have to look up the name of that and put it in the description. Works great.